oh Christmas tree, with all your leaves unchanging. Hi friends, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we're going to make a pretty little Christmas tree with ornaments as shapes. So you will need the green construction paper with the Christmas tree on it. You'll need this little story sheet of paper with the shapes on it. And if you have an extra piece of construction paper that's red or any other color, you can get that so we can glue the tree and the story on it. But that's optional. I'll show you how you can do it with or without the construction paper today. All right, so this little tree needs some ornaments. But first, we need to cut out the shape. So let's go ahead and get our scissors and practice a safe cutting. Remember, it's a thumbs up cut with your thumb in the little hole, your fingers in the bigger hole. Open, shut them very carefully. Use your other hand to hold your page as you cut around and around. Let's go ahead and start cutting out our green Christmas tree. And we can start with the straight edges first, and then carefully, so carefully, go around the curves, just like that. Use your other hand to hold your page as you go and to kind of rock the paper back and forth so that you can cut on these wiggly little curves. Do your best. Go around and around, just like so. Good. Oh, it gets a little tricky with a big scrap. Around and around and down. Great job, friends. You can go ahead and recycle that piece of paper. And here you have your cute little Christmas tree. So our story says, "Pretty Tannenbaum just for me. How many shapes do I see?" Tannenbaum is a German word for Christmas tree. Can you say Tannenbaum? Oh Tannenbaum, oh Tannenbaum. That's how they sing the song in Germany. So let's go ahead. We have to make some circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles as shapes to decorate our tree. So let's begin with circles. Go ahead and make sure your tree is nice and flat, and you can choose any color you like to make some circles. So I'm going to choose red, and I think I'm going to go ahead and draw some circles. You can draw as many as you like because then we're going to label our piece of paper. So I have 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. I think I'm going to do 5. 5 red circles. So with my crayon, I'm going to color the circle red. Good job. And now I'm going to label. You can use your pencil or your Flair pen. I'm going to label 5 because I made 5 red circles. Okay, what's my next shape? Squares. I think I'm going to use the color white because white shows up really nicely on dark construction paper like green. So let's make some squares. Here's 1 square. And I'm going to make 2 squares, 3 squares. Remember, squares have 4 sides that are the same in length. 4 squares. Yes, 4 squares. That's what I'm going to have. My box square is already white, so I'm just going to put 4. If you drew 3 squares, what number will you put? 3, that's right. What if you drew 6 squares? What would you put here? That's right, you would put 6. Everybody's tree will be different, and everybody's tree will be special to them. Next, triangle. Ooh, I think I'm going to use purple for my triangle. You can choose whatever color you like for your triangle. Remember, a triangle is like an upside down V with a line across the bottom. And then color it in. There's 1, 2. You can make as many as you like. 3. I think I like 3 triangles on my tree. So I will go ahead and color my triangle purple because it's the same color I used for the tree. Just like so. And now I'll label 3 triangles. 3. Good. Our last shape is rectangle. You can choose any color you like for your rectangle. I think I will use a turquoise, a blue-green color. Let's see. Now, a rectangle has 2 tall sides and 2 short sides. Remember? So you can make 2 tall lines like an 11, and then you can close the top and close the bottom. That might be one of the easiest ways to draw a rectangle. And I think I just want 2. If you want 5, go ahead and make 5. If you want 10, go ahead and make 10. But whatever you make, you have to match to the picture. So I use my blue-green color, so I need to color this in as well. Like so. Good. And I made 2. So now I will label 2. How many ornaments did I make all together? Well, let's count. Mrs. Idas made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all together, I have 14 ornaments. That's right. If I join 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, that gives me 14. How about you? How many do you have on your tree? I can't wait to see on Flipgrid what your trees look like and how many ornaments you made. So now, here are the 2 options to put this together. You can either put a little bit of glue at the bottom of the trunk of the tree and glue your story here at the bottom, like this. Or if you have an extra piece of construction paper, like red, you can glue your tree to the construction paper. I have a construction paper, so let me show you the 2 ways we can use our glue. First of all, you'll put a little stripe of glue at the bottom of the trunk of the tree and just go ahead and center your paper and press it down. So you have a little Christmas tree like this. Or if you have an extra piece of construction paper somewhere, you can flip it over and you can put some glue on the back of the tree in some little parts. Remember, you don't need too much glue, just a little bit of glue. And then put 4 glue dots in the corner of your story. After you do that, roll down your glue stick, snap, and then get the construction paper and glue your tree with the story in the middle. Just like this. Now remember, the construction paper is extra. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. All right? Don't forget the most important thing is our name. We can write our name on the trunk of the tree. Don't forget uppercase and lowercase letters, please. There's my tree, Mrs. Idas. Now you can always add some more details if you like. If you want to make a little star at the top, you can make a little star with yellow or white, or you can even do it with a darker color, maybe a magenta. You can do your best. You can pick whatever color you like. All right, just something special. You can even add some garland. You can make curvy lines to look like your tree has some more decoration. like this. How fancy can you make your tree? Great job, friends. I cannot wait to see your beautiful project with your tree and the shapes. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.